Algebra 1, Concept 42 homework, page 389, numbers 3 and 5. So the directions on 3 say to factor the polynomial. So write the problem down. If you need to, whenever you're listening to the video, just pause it so you can catch up with the work. Then draw the star. This is our organizer to help us factor, and when we're breaking apart this polynomial into two smaller binomials, that when multiplied together will equal what we started with. Alright, so our A value is 1. So our top term in the star, 1 times 7, or A times C, is 7. Our B value is 8. So we're looking for numbers that multiply together to give us 7, and then if we combine them, we get 8. So we've got 1 and 7. That's our only factor of 7, and together, if we add them, we will get 8. So we'll bring down our 1x for our A times x. Don't need to write the 1. And then in factored form, we write these in two parentheses just next to each other, two binomials, x plus 7 times x minus 7. I'm sorry, it's x plus 1 times x minus 7. And I'm getting those expressions from the two spaces on the left and the right. Again, this star is just an organizer to help you break apart this polynomial that we started with. So what we have now is two smaller polynomials that when multiplied back together will give you the first that you started with. X times x is x squared, 1 times x is 1x, 7 times x is 7x, 7 times 1 is 7. So that's x squared plus 8x plus 7. So that is what we started with. Now let's do number 5. Write the problem down and then draw the star. Pick out your A, B, and C values, 1, 9, and 20. A times C is 1 times 20, or 20. Our B value is 9. And so we're looking for factors of 20 that when added together or combined will give us 9. So think of factors in 20. 1 and 20, kind of work your way up. 2 and 10, which added gives us 12. We're looking for 9. 3 doesn't go into 20. How about 4? 4 and 5. When we add those, we get 9. So those are the factors that we're looking for, that we can break 20 apart into. And then we'll place our 1n, and in this case it's not x, it's n. And then we'll write it finally in factored form, so that's in the two sets of parentheses. N plus 4 times n plus 5. Notice on these directions that they do not ask us to solve, so that's why we're not taking it that one step further.